In this example, we've created a structural steel frame in MasterFrame. We've already defined the load cases and combinations, and completed the frame analysis. Let's now export part of this model to IDEA StatiCa for steel connection design. Go to the BIM Exchange main menu and click on IDEA StatiCa. This opens a dedicated export dialog with 4 tabs to configure the transfer to IDEA StatiCa. In the Link tab, we can change the version of IDEA StatiCa by adjusting its installation directory. We can also define the project folder where the export files will be saved. Next, we select the load cases to export. These can be selected manually or automatically chosen based on dominant combinations. Here, we choose how members are exported. Analytical export is recommended, as it creates a node at each connecting member. Finally, we choose whether to export just the member end forces for connection design, or full members with internal forces. The slider allows us to control how many internal points are included along each member. We now select a portion of the model and click Start Checkbot to begin the export process. In IDEA StatiCa Checkbot, first we create a new project. And then import the exported members. The structural model is recreated, along with the internal forces from our selected load cases. With the model imported, we can now perform a quick connection design in IDEA StatiCa. Let's start by selecting one of the joints in the model and clicking Open to begin designing the connection. From the top toolbar, we click a new operation and choose a bolted end plate connection for the horizontal hollow section. Now we make a few quick adjustments to make it work. We resize the end plate and fine-tune the bolt layout, changing positions and edge distances as needed. Once the geometry is set, we click Calculationer to run a full analysis of the connection using the load cases imported from MasterSeries. We can now check the overall code compliance of the joint and review stress distribution, bolt forces, and plate deformations. Once we've finished designing the initial connection, we can continue expanding our model. Back in MasterFrame, we now select the remaining members, or even add new load cases, to include in our export. With the updated selection made, we simply return to IDEA StatiCa Checkbot. From the top toolbar, we click Import it either as connections or members. Checkbot will then import the newly selected members and any additional load cases into the existing project. This flexible workflow makes it easy to build up your model in stages. If the frame analysis results change in MasterFrame due to updated loads or revised combinations, you don't need to re-export the entire model. Instead, you can simply sync the results directly in IDEA StatiCa Checkbot. After reanalyzing the frame, return to Checkbot and from the top toolbar, go to the Structural Model section and click Sync. Checkbot automatically refreshes the internal forces and moment data for all previously imported members.